Guys, I have my selfie light. I almost forgot it in the night. Not much happened today, but I did like lots of laundry. Cleaned up a little bit. Did my errands earlier, and so I did quite a bit of stuff. And but it wasn't like vlog worthy really. It's so windy outside though. I vlogged that a little bit. As you would have seen, and it's like crazy. It was like the tree outside is like rubbing against the the wall outside. It's like squeaking. It's like crazy windy. But anyway, what was I gonna say? Well, anyway, that's it. I don't know what happened to my light. Maybe I need to charge it. But I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna say goodnight. I also want to say I'm using for the first time Pink Cloud from Herbivore Botanicals. And then I have argan oil on top too because I'm really dry. But I'm gonna see how that looks in the morning. I'm sure it's gonna be great. I really like how it made like my skin feel. I used like the excess on my hands. It was really good. Yeah, sorry it's so dark. Maybe it's this. I don't know, but I'm gonna say goodnight and good luck. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below if you want to see more. And I'll be here tomorrow for the 21st of December. Can you believe it's already the 21st? Like, that's so crazy. I keep saying that too, but it's true. The year's almost over. It's gonna be New Year soon. Okay, see ya tomorrow. Bye. Bobby, look at the camera. Look at the camera. She's been barking at me, and she wants to have more food, but she can't have any more food because she's eating too much. And she's getting too chunkies. Huh. Eating too much. Can't be eating 5 times a day. Huh. Not 5 times a day, Bubby. I didn't mean to do the video again. I meant to take a picture. Look, she fell asleep. Bubby, you fall asleep? Yeah, she's falling asleep. She's full now. Taking little Stinky out on this day 23. I don't think I even vlogged yesterday. If I did, it was like 2 seconds. So I missed today. But that's okay, I was so busy. Plus nothing even happened. It wasn't even exciting. Bubby, what are you doing on the corner of the rug? We're making cookies. I used white cake mix and I added 1 egg. Now I'm gonna get some butter and melt it, and I'll be straight back. Adding the cream cheese. Yeah. There goes the vanilla. And the butter. It's okay. It's called a vlog. So you could do whatever you want.
Well, okay. They said to put these 2 inches apart, but like, are they?
Right.
Look very exciting.
Ooh, it smells good. Yum.
The corners are metal, I forgot.
Oh yeah. Adding in these guys. Oh. It's stuck. Got sticky stuck. Oops, good enough. Mmm. Ooh, chocolate chips. Adding some white chocolate chips. And I forgot to chop these guys, so we're gonna do it right now. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. So I'm adding the Oreos. It's supposed to be a cup, but I think I got way more than a cup, but we're just gonna add it anyhow. Right, it's gonna be so good. Look at that masterpiece. And we turn it on. Ah. I need to go to bed. I'm going to show you the cookies tomorrow. Thank you for watching this little short cooking stuff. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve tomorrow. I have to wake up so early. I need to go to bed right now. Okay, good night and goodbye. Bye. Do that.
We need the sibling photo.